Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to get my AI on Snapchat and I will also show you what is my AI. First of all, I will tell you what is my AI. AI is auto technology like ChatGPT, which is Snapchat, who contact anyone answers all the questions when you ask from my AI. Before getting AI on Snapchat, must have need to update Snapchat. So I go Play Store and open my update Snapchat. Here is no my AI. So I go my profile icon. Go settings option. Go down. Here is option. As you can see, I need help. There is show you my AI. Click here. More and many option is here. So I choose how does I access my AI on Snapchat. Click here. As you can see, my AI and new my AI features are rolling out slowly and may not be available to just yet. So I click right there. Back. So there is. Now you can see my question answer is auto here. So this is how we get AI on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Thank you.